Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to learn how to post an assignment on Google Classroom. So I'm going to make an assumption here. I know that could be bad, but the assumption is that you have this document that says 6th and 7th grade Spanish remote learning. So from the beginning, you get this, and you're like, okay, cool, but what do I do with it? Well, week 1 says letters and vowels, and it says presentation here. So you will click on that. It's actually going to ask you if you would like to make a copy of the document, and you do. This will be your own personal copy. So it is loading. And again, this is something I always do. This might be the OCD in me, but this PowerPoint is now called Copy of Semana Uno. So I might just put my name in. I would just put my name like this. Okay. And you would put your last name. So now you have this cool, new, and improved assignment. Everything that you should need is in here. Just a reminder. Oh, the note is even here. You want to record so we do want our students to record themselves. So, as a teacher, you would just link that in. And there's another video to show you how to do that. So let's assume you have totally done that. Cool. Now we'll go to Google Classroom. And again, the shortcut to getting there is to type in classroom.google.com. And you would pick any of your classes. I will pick on my first period. Oh, okay. Ignore that. A student commented. So all you need to do is it says share something about your class. So I haven't really thought about what I'm going to say, but I might say something like, welcome to Spanish. You can be more creative than me, but then type what you want them to do. But then you're going to go to this right here where it says add. And you're going to want to add something from your Google Drive. So you can search for anything, but it's actually going to go with your most recent thing. So right here, if you remember, we had just saved this document as our last name, Semana Uno. And so sorry about that. You would click this and click add. And then all you have to do is post. And students are only allowed to view this. So once your students log on, they're going to see this. And hopefully your students can walk themselves through it. So they'll look at the lesson. Oh my gosh, okay, sorry, it's loading. They'll look at the objectives. Okay, I'm going to know the Spanish alphabet. I'm going to understand how each letter is pronounced, and I'll be able to pronounce new words and spell my name. Yay! Then your students would just watch this video. I won't click on it, but your students would click here and watch the video. That'll teach them the vowels, and then they would click here. And this video will teach them how to pronounce words. Then, as this slide suggests, choose one of these 2 videos to listen to. And again, as you've guessed, the students will be able to pick one and watch the video. Now it's their practice time. So they have to choose 2 of the following activities, and there are 3 of them. So the first one is this game. So if they click here, and I'm not going to lie, this is actually not a game, but I called it one. What the students can do is it's going to give them a keyboard, and they can click any letter they want, and it'll tell them how to say it and how to say a word.
León.
So that's option 1. The next option the students can do is a matching game. This game's pretty cool. So if they click on a letter, that's how it's pronounced, and they would... The goal is to match it.
B. A.
And it seems pretty simple, but it'll be a nice way for them to keep hearing the input of the letters. And then the last thing is their favorite, this game, Gimkit. They'll click on it, and I'm sure your students know how to play Gimkit, but they would put their name. And then they'll begin. So they have to figure out which one of these answers is it. It's pronounced ve, or sometimes be, which would be. And then they'll continue. New question. The letter is se. Which letter is that? And your students will do that. And then finally, students will go over the objectives. I mean, hopefully, who knows, they'll probably speed through them. And then now the bonus is they should be able to record themselves spelling their name for you, and it'll be really cool for you because you'll be able to see who's doing the assignments, because you should get a video that'll send your email saying you have a new response, and then you should see your student spelling their name. And again, there is a different video that will show you how to link a Flipgrid into the page, so that should make more sense. But yeah, good luck with your Semana Uno lesson.